Hi, I'm Lou, and I'm going to show you how to fix a leaking faucet. You can see this one, it's leaking pretty bad. It's been doing this for a while. It's about time to fix it. So what you do is you pop off these little plastic caps, like so, with just a regular screwdriver, and fill up the screwdriver, take off the handles, okay, now we're going to have to undo these, but we'll have to go down below and turn off the water first. Let's go under the sink. And there's a hot and cold shutoff, so let's get those turned off. Kind of tight. Get a pair of pliers, grab it, turn, loosen them up a bit. Now we can shut them off. Okay, there's one. Okay, they're off now. I'm too lazy to go down and get a proper crescent wrench, but you should use a crescent wrench, but this will work, I think. Screw this guy. This should come out. And basically, you need to get the guts out of there. Little rubber thing. I think there's a spring down in there. There. There's the, so we've got a little rubber thing, grommet of some sort, this spring, and then this guy here. And basically what we're going to do is go to the hardware store and find these same pieces, buy new ones, replace them, and put it all back together. Okay, here I am back from the hardware store. I just took all this stuff in and I showed the guy, and he said, "Oh, I know what you need." Oh, tell him this was a look at your brand of faucet. Mine's a Delta. Tell him what brand it is, and he found the, you can see that, it says on there, Delta. It doesn't, genuine parts, whatever. It looks like it's in there. It's only got the 2 grommets and the 2 springs that will replace our old ones. And he said, yeah, probably these things will be fine. I did see those on the shelf though, so these are out. He said these are probably fine, so probably are. We'll try it. Otherwise, I'll go buy those. And here we are. Here's the new stuff from the hardware store. The way you put these in is the spring is slightly bigger on the bottom. You put the bottom side down, skinny side up. Then you put the little rubber grommet. It's bigger on one side. It's like a cup. You put that over the top of the spring. So again, heavy side of the spring's on the bottom, skinny side's on top, and it's like a cup with a hole in the bottom. Take the cup and you put it over the spring like that. There's a little hole in the bottom, and we need to drop this whole thing down in that hole. My cat's over here helping with the old pieces. There we go. Now I got a flashlight. you can see down in the hole better. Alright, I'm going to put the little side of the spring up, cover it with the cup-shaped grommet, and then push this thing down in there. You just have to work it around. Yeah, I got it. Push it down so it all fits completely down in the hole. And now you can see what it looks like. See that? And you learning about how to do sink spice? She's my helper. Okay, here we are with the springs and the grommets in place. We're going to put these two guys back in. Turns out you want to pay attention to how you took them out. I didn't. I had to experiment with this, but this is like a stop that tells the handle how far it can turn. And it turns out that this goes towards the faucet, and this one goes away from the faucet. And just to check to make sure, if you didn't pay attention when you did it before, there's a stop in here that goes against that. Just put it on and see that'll move that way, but not that way. And this one has a stop over there, and it will move this way, but not that way. So you just got to make sure you get it on right. If you don't, just pull it off and mess with it until you do. And whoops. Anyway, when you have it right, have everything right, then put your metal rings back on to hold everything back in place. Tighten them down with a crescent wrench, not a pair of pliers. Actually, I mean, crescent's better. Just kind of maybe scratches the stuff. This is a mud sink. I don't really care much about it. And put these guys back on. Like that. Screw them in. Remember they go this way. Yep, they're good. And put these guys back on, covers. You gotta turn the water on from down below. It's a good sign. Notice the faucet's not dripping. Hopefully it'll work. You'll notice when I first turned it on, there was a lot of black gunk coming out. That's that old rubber grommet, just bits from that coming out. But once you do that, it's all clean. But so there it is. Faucet doesn't leak anymore. Fixed. Oops, there's a drip. Whew, good. It's fixed. And thank you very much for watching, and good luck with your faucet.